Today now I will talk on the Parkinson's disease. I will talk about the Parkinson's disease, the causes of Parkinson's disease, number one. Number two, the clinical features of Parkinson's disease, and third is the management. Means either medications, either management by medications or management by surgery. So that will be the part of discussion today. Now Parkinsonism, you know that you have seen that in basal ganglia, what are the pathways? Two different pathways. How many pathways? Two pathways. One is direct pathway, another one is indirect pathway. Now direct pathway is this. Now see, direct pathway starts from where? Direct pathway starts from where? From substantia nigra. This is cortex, glutamate. Now this is direct. This one is direct pathway and this one is indirect pathway. Now see, this pathway you have to draw. Pathway that you have to draw the diagram as well as the areas of basal ganglia, you know, and see, starting from substantia nigra per compacta. What does it mean? SNPC, substantia nigra per compacta. This is one part. Another part of substantia nigra is substantia nigra per reticulata. So these are the areas. These are the gray nuclei of basal ganglia. So substantia nigra per compacta, they project two type of fibers. One is dopaminergic fibers. D1 means dopamine. D1 and D2, both dopamine, but they vary in terms of receptor. So substantia nigra, so in case of dopamine, D1, these are excitatory. What does it mean? Excitatory? Excitatory means what should be the function? Excitatory means it causes stimulation. Excitatory. And D2 is inhibitory. This causes inhibition. Stimulation, inhibition. D1 is excitatory pathway that will be utilized in direct pathway. That is the mediator in direct pathway. And D2 that mediates the indirect pathway. Now see, next thing is that substantia nigra, they project fiber into the corpus striatum. What are the fibers? Nigrostriatal fibers. And what are the nucleus made up of corpus striatum? Which one is called corpus striatum? Key nucleus, caudate nucleus and putamen. Together, caudate and putamen together called corpus striatum. So they project fiber to the corpus striatum, and caudate and putamen, these are connected with cholinergic fibers, acetylcholine, see, acetylcholine, cholinergic fibers. Now in direct pathway, these cholinergic fibers project to directly, they project to the GPI and SNPR. GPI and SNPR. GPI what? Globus pallidus. What part? GPI, I means internal. Globus pallidus internal. And what else? Substantia nigra per reticulata. You know that substantia nigra has two components. One is per compacta, another is per reticulata. So this is the major output, and do you know this is the major output neuron from basal ganglia. This is major output. Remember, major output neuron. Output means efferent. Major output. GPI and SNPR, substantia nigra per reticulata is the major output. Output neuron. Otai last. Output neuron from where? Output neuron which project via thalamocortical pathway, via thalamus. ये जो पैलिडोथैलामिक, so पैलिडो, globus pallidus, that's why output fibers are called pallidal, Palidothalamic pallidal fibers. Globus pallidus means pallidal fiber. Palidothalamic, and thalamus ultimately influence the corpus. You know, thalamus is the relay nuclei. This is the relay station of all sensory and motor. So thalamus ultimately project fibers to the cortex. Which area of the cortex? Primary motor cortex, M1, primary motor cortex, PM, premotor area, motor area, premotor area, and supplementary motor area. These are the areas where they project fibers, thalamus, and control and make the circuit as a loop. It makes as a loop, as a loop or circuit, and this maintains the rhythm of movement. Thalamus actually is known as pacemaker area, like heart. Which one is the pacemaker? SA node. These are the, so like heart, thalamus is the pacemaker. Pacemaker means what? Thalamus is responsible for making what? Making steps, one by one steps, makes the cycle. So repeated functioning. That's why this is called pacemaker of voluntary movement. Pacemaker of voluntary movement, thalamus, right? This is one. And second thing is that now see, cortex gives fibers to the corpus striatum. What are the fibers known as? Corticostriate. Fibers are known as, from cortex to striatum, known as corticostriate fibers. So these corticostriate fibers that project to the corpus striatum, and you know that corpus striatum is made up of two nuclei. Ki naam? Caudate nucleus and putamen. Caudate and putamen. So together called as corpus striatum. So cortex project to corpus striatum, and the neurotransmitter released here, neurotransmitter which is released is glutamate. What type of neurotransmitter? Glutamate excitatory. And GABA is what type of neurotransmitter? Inhibitory. GABA inhibitory. That means cause inhibition. Or glutamate that cause stimulation. Stimulatory means they discharge neurotransmitter for stimulatory function, right? GABA discharge neurotransmitter for inhibition, means inhibition of movement and stimulation of movement, initiation of movement, that is called stimulation of movement, that is plus. So corpus striatum, now see, it has two pathways. From corpus striatum you see one direct pathway, another you can see the indirect pathway. Now indirect pathway, that is followed by D2 dopaminergic neurons of D2 type. So D2 acetylcholine cholinergic via indirect pathway they release GABA. GABA is inhibitory. See, GABA and enkephalin. GABA is inhibitory and influence globus pallidus external. GPE. E means external. Globus pallidus external. Globus pallidus external further release GABA and influence subthalamic nucleus. STN. STN what? Subthalamic nucleus. Right? So basal ganglion has never considered to be a single structure. It is a group of structure, group of nuclei. Yes? Understand? It can be considered as a group of gray nuclei, not a single structure. So that's why the circuit is that much complex. Circuit is always a very complex circuit that you have to remember what is direct and what is indirect pathway. And direct and indirect pathway further, you need to know the neurotransmitter released. That means whether excitatory neurotransmitter or inhibitory neurotransmitter, that you need to know. So now in indirect pathway, the corpus striatum that release GABA and influence globus pallidus external. Further, globus pallidus external release GABA, influence subthalamic nucleus. Now what happens? Now tell what happens. This is inhibition. Minus means inhibition. Corpus striatum inhibit globus pallidus external. Globus pallidus external inhibit subthalamic nucleus. Now you remember, already I told, inhibition of inhibition, what should be called? Inhibition of inhibition means what? Inhibition of inhibition, minus, minus, what happens? Plus, plus, that is called disinhibition. Inhibition of inhibition known as disinhibition. Disinhibition means what? Stimulation. Disinhibition, disinhibit. Inhibition of inhibition, disinhibition means stimulation. So that's why this pathway stimulates subthalamic nucleus, and subthalamic nucleus further gives fiber to the major output neuron, globus pallidus internal as well as the substantia nigra per reticulata. So what happens? Subthalamic, that is excitatory, they release glutamate. Glutamate stimulates this GPI and SNPR. So output, what should be the output? Output effect. Output effect should be the negative, GABA. So GPI means pallidal fibers, globus pallidus fibers, they release GABA. And you know GABA is inhibitory. So inhibitory. So indirect pathway is an example of what? Excitation or inhibition. What? Indirect pathway is an example of what? Excitation or inhibition? Inhibition. Inhibition. This is a GPI, SNPR, this is inhibition. This is indirect pathway. এটা হচ্ছে indirect pathway. Indirect. Indirect. And this is direct pathway. এটা হচ্ছে direct pathway. Direct. This is indirect. So inhibition, direct. What happens to direct pathway? Now you see. Direct pathway means what? Dopaminergic fibers. Gives fibers to corpus striatum. Corpus striatum means cholinergic fibers further influence this, directly influence the major output neuron, GPI, SNPR. Now what happens? Cholinergic fibers, they influence GPI and they release what? They release GABA. So now here GABA, here also GABA. So now what happens? GABA means negative. So inhibition of inhibition, what does it mean? Stimulation. So stimulation. Inhibition of inhibition means stimulation. Here stimulation one step ahead, one step before, here ekdam direct. That's why this pathway is called direct. Directly influence the output neuron. Here via subthalamic. That's why it's called indirect. This is direct. Directly it's influence the output neuron. Whereas in indirect pathway, this influence the output neuron via subthalamic nucleus. Understood? This. So this is all about the pathway and neurotransmitter controlling the excitatory as well as inhibitory of thalamocortical projection. So thalamus, I told, they actually responsible for what? For pacemaking of movement, for making movement, for initiation of movement. Without thalamus, any movement cannot be with a regular pace. Pace means with a regular movement without thalamus, and it's like a circuit. That means it happens again and again, repeatedly it happens, right? So these things this is all about the functions of basal ganglia in terms of direct and indirect pathway. Next, you should know what happens. Now see, there are two pathways in basal ganglia circuit with opposite effects on firing of thalamus and cortical neurons. direct pathway activate thalamic neuron. This is direct pathway activate thalamic neuron. What does it means by thick line and thin line? What does it mean actually? Thick line means ki thick line diye ki bujhate chaichi? Excessive stimulation means this is stimulation in excess, triple plus, stimulation in excess, thick line, right? So inhibition of inhibition, this is called disinhibition, means stimulation. Thalamus, stimulation thalamus, thalamus influence the cortex. That is direct pathway. Another, the indirect pathway inhibits thalamic neuron and suppress unwanted movement. So there should be a balance. What actually do this pathway? What actually functions playing this pathway? Actually there is a braking. There will be a break. Direct and indirect. Direct causes movement to sequence to happen. Sequence means voluntary movements to happen. Direct pathway or indirect pathway. What does it do? Indirect pathway, this should give a break to the excess movement. Movement to hoye gelo, but that should be key. That should be breaking. There should be a break. There should be a break. So that lagam chhada to kono control movement hote pare na. So lagam, that is called break. So these two things you should remember, direct and indirect. Direct means stimulatory, gives excess movement, whereas indirect means inhibitory. This gives a break to the movement, actual movement. Means as a result what happens? The net effect of these two will be the desired movement. Desired movement. Ekta excess movement, another one is braking movement. So if you minus means excess movement with the braking movement, so there should be the actual movement wanted. What should be wanted actually? Desired movement, that should be done. So these things. Now next we should know the next part we are going to discuss the disease part of the basal ganglia, following damage to each and every area of the basal ganglia. Now see Parkinsonism. Actually Parkinsonism, have you any idea about Parkinsonism? Do you have any idea about Parkinsonism? Have you heard the term Parkinsonism? Parkinsonism? नाम सुनेছো তো? বলো yes. Parkinsonism that results due to deficiency of dopamine. Dopamine is the neurotransmitter. Actually, the basal ganglia circuit as a whole is controlled by dopamine. Dopaminergic neurons. What are the types of dopamine? Two, D1 and D2. Why D1, D2? Dopamine, both are dopamine. But still, why do we say D1, D2? Mane ki go? Dopamine is the neurotransmitter, same. But as based on receptor, we are saying one type of fibers are D1, another type of fibers D2. Means acting upon a particular group of receptors. D1, D2. D1 stimulatory, D2 inhibitory. Right? So this is so dopamine fibers actually arising from substantia nigra per compacta. Now what causes? Now next. So while explaining that how does the Parkinsonism disease occur, so this will be the due to losses of due to losses of which fiber? Parkinsonism disease. What should be the causes of Parkinsonism? এই মাত্র বললাম তো, losses of dopaminergic fibers. That means what? That means lesion somewhere in the nigrostriatal pathway. Which pathway? nigrostriatal pathway. তাহলে nigrostriatal pathway কোনটা? এটা. So this pathway say for 1, a pathway. So due to lesion in nigrostriatal pathway, there will be the deficiency of nigrostriatal pathway, so that dopamine will be deficient. Dopaminergic fibers will be lost. As a result, what happens? As a result, gives the condition, the clinical features like Parkinsonism. Now to describe, next thing is that clinical features of Parkinsonism. Now there are mnemonics. Mnemonics. For what we use the mnemonics? For easy remembering. For easy remembrance, isn't it? Mnemonic, jano naam? For Parkinsonism, this is characterized by triad of art. So Parkinsonism disease, the clinical feature which can be described in simple form in mnemonics like ART. Parkinsonism can be defined as what? Bolo? ART. What does it mean? ART, art. Or TAP. Sometimes another mnemonics that can be used as TAP. Mane, jano, what is triad of art? Triad of art. Art, A for what? Echinacea. First A is echinacea, and R is rigidity, and T is tremor. So echinacea, tremor and rigidity. So what type of echinacea? Echinacea means what? Bolo to, echinacea, A means absence, kinesia means what? Movement. Echinacea or trap, same thing, echinacea. This is echinacea or bradykinesia. So clinical features of Parkinsonism, echinacea or bradykinesia. Mana jano bradykinesia? Huh? Kinesia means movement, and echinacea means either absence of movement, means person, individual cannot move, এরকম দাঁড়িয়ে থাকবে, echinacea or bradykinesia. Brady means কি? Less than actual movement. Voluntary movement should be either bradycardia নাম শুনেছো? Same bradykinesia. So poverty in movement. There should be weakness to movement. Poverty in movement. Movement, not healthy movement. Poverty in movement or absence in movement. When absence, echinacea. এই দেখো, Parkinsonism है. So if you say start walking, so bus won't be able to initiate movement. দাঁড়িয়েই থাকবে. Stand still, won't be able to move even a single step, right? That's why it's called echinacea. When completely, entirely inability, shows inability to movement, to initiate movement, is called echinacea. And bradykinesia means movement is there, but very poor movement, very poor movement. That is called what? Bradykinesia. That stands for an R. R means what? R means what? Now you know, for movements, who take parts during movement? Muscles. Muscles are the effector organ. What happens to muscles? Paralysis, you know, that paralyzed. What type? Rigidity. R for rigidity. So A for echinacea, R for rigidity. And you know, rigidity. What type of rigidity? I have explained. Upper motor, lower motor neuron. You can remember. What did I say in upper motor neuron and lower motor neuron lesion? What type of rigidity? This is clasp knife in upper motor. But for basal ganglia, what type? Lead pipe and cogwheel rigidity. So rigidity will be either cogwheel, arekta ki bollam? Cogwheel rigidity, another lead pipe. So this type of lead pipe, এগুলো just লিখে দেবে clinical feature, either cogwheel rigidity or lead pipe rigidity. AR and T means what? T means what? Tremor. Tremor. What type of tremor? These are all characteristics. Tremor. What type of? Per second. What type of? Tremors means what? এখানে কিরকম tremor? What type of tremor? In cerebellum you have seen what type tremor? Cerebellum? Intentional tremor. In cerebellum you have seen intentional tremor. What does it mean? Intentional tremor? Yes. When an individual wants to perform any task, that's why it's called intentional tremor. But in basal ganglia, it is characteristics of what? Resting tremor. So tremor happens only when persons will become at rest. But when perform some effect, some work, there will be no tremor. Tremor will be gone. Tremor will be vanished during working. But when subject will be at rest, এরকম হবে, এই দেখো resting tremor. When person seated in seated position will show this type of tremor at a rate of what? 3 to 6 hertz. মানে frequency per second 3 to 6. That is called tremor. So ART. Or sometimes we call trap. Trap means what? First tree what? ওই একই জিনিস, same thing, but one is additional. T for what? Tremor. What type of tremor? Resting tremor. So always you should don't write like intention tremor. Tremor should be resting tremor. Resting tremor. So resting tremor, rigidity and bradykinesia or akinesia, like trap. Trap is tremor. T for tremor and R for rigidity. And P for what? P for loss of postural reflex. Postural reflex means what? Posture. Postural reflex means loss of postural reflex. In basal ganglia disorder, due to loss of nigrostriatal pathway, due to loss of dopaminergic fibers in nigrostriatal pathway, কি posture কেমন হবে? Posture should be bent, festinant gait. A gait হবে festinant and posture should be stooped. এটাকে কি বলে? এটাকে clinically what is this called? Stooped posture. Basal ganglia disorder, this stooped posture. কি বললাম তাহলে? Loss of postural reflexes মানে হচ্ছে stooped posture. Stooped মানে হচ্ছে bending, bent. Stooped posture, loss of postural reflex. Sometimes for facial expression, in Parkinsonism, the facial expression should be what? Should be masked faces. Masked faces মানে জানো? Mask like face. Masked faces. Have you seen any expression in masked face? No. ওই যে ছৌ নাচ দেখেছো তো? ছৌ ড্যান্স, isn't it? ছৌ ড্যান্সে কি হয়? খালি একটা মাস্ক পরে থাকে, মাস্কটা কি হয়? খালি এরকম জাস্ট। So expressionless, facial expressionless. That is called loss of postural reflexes. So posture, facial posture, that will be lost. And what is this condition known as? Mask faces. FACIES. Mask মানে মাস্কের মতো, without expressionless. Mask হচ্ছে expressionless and faces mean face. Facial expression without any facial expression. Mask faces. এগুলো হচ্ছে, these are the main characteristics. Mask faces. So these things. And do you know that Parkinsonism, there are worldwide 17 million persons are suffering from worldwide, not in terms of our country. Worldwide actual 1.7 million, মানে 17 লাখ না কত হচ্ছে? 1.7 million individual suffering from Parkinsonism disease. And in America, every year 60,000 people actually suffers. In America, USA, 60,000 every year. So, persons suffering from this. And sometimes Parkinsonism disease is called paralysis agitans. Mane jano? Paralysis, why paralysis agitans? It's a paralysis of body arms, paralysis of body at agitans means what? At what age? After 60. That's why it happens after 60, after certain years of age, at the old age. So it's a disease at old age, old age disease. That's why it has another name. Parkinsonism arekta naam ache, another name. What is this? Paralysis agitans, AGITAN. So paralysis agitans. Paralysis agitans. Why? As because it happens after 60 years of age. After 60 years of age. 60 years of age, paralysis agitans. And Parkinsonism disease that can happen in younger age also. Actually, those who are drug addict, বিভিন্ন রকমের ড্রাগ নেই যারা, drug addict, they can suffer from at very early, they can suffer from Parkinsonism. So actually the basal ganglia, the nuclei that can be damaged as a result of one toxic materials from due to intake of what? Intake of drugs. যারা ড্রাগ নাই কম বয়সী তারা they can also suffer from the Parkinsonism. And what actually there is a toxic material that can lead to the Parkinsonism disease, results in Parkinsonism disease. What is this drug? Naam sunecho? MPTP. This drug is known as MPTP, methyl phenyl, MPTP, methyl phenyl tetrahydropyridine. Tetra মানে চারটে, tetrahydropyridine, methyl phenyl tetrahydropyridine. This is toxic drug that can lead to the damage of the, especially the substantia nigra, the part of the basal ganglia, substantia nigra. Substantia nigra. Naam sunecho? Substantia nigra is because why these are named as nigra? Negro means black. Why? Because these are the area where dopamine or melanin is deposited into a black pigment. So that's why this portion of the brain appears black color. তাই এটার নাম হয়েছে কি? Substantia nigra, because black substances, deposition of black substances, melanin. So MPTP next. So these are the, now see, these are the areas of the basal ganglia suffers from a particular disease. So listen to this area, substantial nigra, this pathway leads what? Results what? Particularly this area results what? ওই যে বললাম Parkinsonism. Now see separately corpus striatum. Listen to this area. What happens to this area? If it is caudate nucleus, caudate nucleus. Another one is putamen. So caudate ki hoy? Putamen and caudate. Specifically caudate and putamen. এখানে একটা এই caudate area and putamen. এটা হচ্ছে কোরিয়া. Lesion, particularly lesion to this area. এটা তোমাদের সিলেবাসে নেই, but Parkinsonism is there. একদম very important in terms of your university question paper. Very important. Basal ganglia, cerebellum. One basal ganglia, another cerebellum. Two মানে most occasionally these are the areas in CNS that comes frequently. It comes হয় cerebellum or basal ganglia. Another two important areas, one is pain pathway, pain inhibition. So another one is pain and another one is what? Corticospinal tract, pyramidal tract. So these are the important chapters, important topics in CNS. You can expect 15 marks question. So this will be the major 15 marks. So first question, how many marks in your syllabus? First one, university exam, first question, how many marks? It carries how many marks? First question, 15. How many parts? 3-4 parts, 15 marks. Next, how many questions? 3 questions. How many marks? 10 each, 10 into 3, 10 each. And third type of question is explain why. How many marks? 4 or 5 into 3, 15 marks. 3 into 5, 15 marks. Next, short notes. How many short notes? 4 short notes. 4 short notes. 5 into 4, 20 marks. So like that, right? So এটা গেল। নেক্সট হচ্ছে কোরিয়া, caudate. Listen to this area, particularly listen to this area causes chorea. Chorea means what? Korean নাম শুনেছো? Korea, choreography. Have you heard the term? Are you familiar with choreography? Means what? Choreography কি related to what? Dance. Choreography means related to dance. So chorea means what type? This is also a purposeless, not purposeful. Purposeless movement means ki involuntary movement. Purposeless involuntary movement at the distal part of the limb. Distal এই যে পায়ে or leg and hands. So purposeless movement, purposeless movement associated with movement of face, facial movement. এটার সঙ্গে হাতও নড়বে আর তার সঙ্গে একটা করে facial movement হবে with equal interval. You can see an alternate facial movement also associated with facial movement, that is called chorea. Chorea means এই যে এরকম, এই দেখো এই হাতগুলো এরকম হবে আর পায়েও একটা এরকম একটা বিহেভিয়ার। সো মুভমেন্ট, বুঝতে পারছো তো? পারপাসলেস, এটা তো পারপাসফুল হতে পারে না। সো পারপাসলেস মুভমেন্ট দ্যাট ক্যান হ্যাপেন along with the movement of the upper limbs. আপার লিম্বের সঙ্গে একটা মুভমেন্ট অ্যাসোসিয়েটেড উইথ ফেসিয়াল টুইচিং। এই যে ফেস মাসেলের একটা টুইচিং জানো তো? Do you know the term twitching? Facial twitching means what? Contraction. Facial contraction. So that is called chorea. Another one is athetosis. Athetosis is also an abnormal movement. Writhing movement. WRITHING. Writhing means worm-like movements. Worm কেমন করে যায়? What should be the behavior of worm movement? এরকম. So this is also an abnormal movement. Following degeneration in following lesion. In which part? In putamen. Caudate কি বললাম? Chorea. Putamen. Chorea can be of 2 types. One is Huntington's chorea. Huntington's chorea is purely immunological as a result of autoimmune beta hydrolytic streptococcus bacteria responsible is known as beta hydrolytic streptococcus. Sorry, not streptococcus. Those are the organism causing what? Chorea like behavior. So এটা একটা গেল। Another one is Sydenham chorea. Sydenham, SYDENHAM. So Huntington's chorea, Sydenham chorea. These are the 2 types of chorea. Chorea আবার ভাগ আছে। Also Hemibellism. Actually, when it occurs in one part of the body is called hemibellism. When both part is known as bellism. Bellism means what type? Bellism is an example of flail movement, wild movement. Wild মানে কি হাত পা একসঙ্গে ছুড়বে ভয়ঙ্কর ভাবে, not very nicely. Wild movement, wild flail, FLAIL, flail. Flail means wild, মানে not civilized. Flail, wild movement is known as কি বললাম bellism. Bellism, which part is responsible for this? Subthalamic nucleus. So listen to this part is actually results in bellism and hemibellism. This part. কোনটা? এটা subthalamic nucleus. So this part caudate is chorea. This is chorea. Chorea again two types, Sydenham chorea, Huntington's chorea. Putamen is athetosis, and subthalamic nucleus is bellism or hemibellism. Bellism or hemi, कोई भी, whatever, bellism or hemibellism. এই হচ্ছে, these are the all কি, these are the all clinical conditions followed by lesions in different areas of basal ganglia. But which part is most important in your syllabus? কোনটা? Parkinsonism. So Parkinsonism, give the causes of Parkinsonism. First causes, etiopathology, you know that, like myasthenia gravis. What you have written in myasthenia gravis? First, what are the causes? Autoantibody, isn't it? So causes, first one is causes, next one is clinical features. So you can describe in terms of mnemonic, trap, or একটা trap হলো আরেকটা art, characterized by triad of art. So these things, and next one is how it can be cured. Right. So there are two ways. Number one is medications, either medicine. What medicines? Bolo, L-Dopa. Why L-Dopa is important? Why L-Dopa is important? Because these are actually the loss of dopaminergic fibers. So supplements of dopamine that should alleviate the disease, isn't it? So L-Dopa. But do you know L-Dopa, the only dopamine which can enter the blood-brain barrier? L-Dopa, but not simple dopa cannot enter the blood-brain barrier. L-Dopa can. But thing is that only problem is that these drugs cannot be lasted for maximum hours. So to enhance the effectivity, yes, L-Dopa is always given in combination of what? Combination of carbidopa. কি বললাম? Carbidopa. So L-Dopa is given with carbidopa, CARBI. Carbidopa. So that is the reason that L-Dopa alone is cannot work for a longer period, but this effectiveness can be enhanced if given in combination. Combination of what? Carbidopa বেড়ে যাবে. So the period, instead of 3 to 4 hours, it should be 7 to 12 hours, right? So these things. So always it is given in terms of L-Dopa, carbidopa. Number one, this is always agonist drug. So dopaminergic, so medicine can be dopaminergic, dopamine with supplementation of dopamine. Second thing is that saligilin, GILIN, saligilin, another drug that is actually the MAO-B inhibitor. That means prolong the dopamine activity. It prolongs dopamine activity. So either by using MAO-B inhibitor or by dopamine in combination with carbidopa. And this is in terms of medicine. Option is in terms of medicine. Another option is surgery, surgical option. What should be the surgical option? Na ectomy. What? Either say surgically, if this with thalamotomy, if it is done thalamotomy is responsible. Thalamus is responsible for what? For what? Say for intentional tumor. This is pacemaker. Is a pacemaker. These can be alleviated. Alleviated means removed. Is a intentional tumor that can be removed with surgical procedure. What surgical procedure? Thalamotomy. Thalamus, tomy means section. Either thalamotomy. Another one is pelidectomy. Globus pallidus. Major output this. So if you remove this portion, pallidal fiber, cutting pallidal fibers, because this is the major output, isn't it? Major output. So if you cut this, which is known as what? Pallidectomy. Globus pallidus. So pallidal fiber, pallidectomy. Either pallidectomy, what does it do? It causes what? It alleviates lead pipe rigidity, and actually this can alleviate what? Rigidity. Another can alleviate tremor. So these are the option. And third option deep brain stimulation. Like catheter আমরা অনেক সময় দেই না, catheter in for pacemaking activity. What do we use? What do we actually use? ওটা কি বলে পেসমেকারের জন্য? ক্যাথেটার দেওয়া হয় না? না, ক্যাথেটার নয়, কি বলে ওটা? আরে ওই ফর মেইনটেনেন্স অফ পেস মেকিং, এসএ নোড অ্যাক্টিভিটি, রিপ্লেসমেন্ট অফ এসএ নোড অ্যাক্টিভিটি, ওটা কি বলে? হ্যাঁ, আর্টিফিশিয়াল পেসমেকার, রাইট। সো লাইক দ্যাট, লাইক আর্টিফিশিয়াল পেসমেকার, সো দিস ক্যান বি অলসো, so surgically this can thalamus is actually the pacemaking activity. It makes the pacemaking activity. Deep brain stimulation. So in brain, so there we use kora hoy electrical stimulation. With certain electrical stimulation, মানে non invasive actually. Deep brain stimulation is non invasive, মানে কোনো কাটাকাটি না করে, without any surgery, from outside deep brain stimulation, মানে from outside. So you can pierce any electrode into the deep into the basal ganglia structure আছে না, সেই structure you can stimulate the areas. This is called deep brain stimulation. Right. Subthalamic rigidity, involuntary tremors, এটা এই যে ফিচার্স অ্যাকাইনেসিয়া, পিল রোলিং ট্রিমার, ওটাকে অনেক সময় বলে পিল রোলিং ট্রিমার। এই যে অনেক সময় এরকমও হয়, পিল রোলিং মানে কোনো পিল হাতে দিলে কেমন হয়, ওটাকে মুভ করার মতো, ওটাকে বলে পিল রোলিং ট্রিমার। অ্যান্ড ফেস্টিনেন্ট গেট হচ্ছে এই যে ফেস্টিনেন্ট গেট, এই যে। আর সাবজেক্ট ইনএবিলিটি টু ইনিশিয়েট মুভমেন্ট, কিন্তু ওয়ান্স ইনিশিয়েটেড সাবজেক্ট ক্যান, মানে ইন্ডিভিজুয়াল ক্যান মুভ। একবার যদি স্টার্ট হয়ে গেছে না, তখন ছোট ছোট শর্ট সাবলিং গেট, এই যে এরকম বাট ফার্স্ট ইনিশিয়েশন ইজ ভেরি প্রবলেম, ইনিশিয়েটিং মুভমেন্ট ইজ ভেরি প্রবলেম, পারবে না। বাট ওয়ান্স স্টার্টেড, অ্যাকশন স্টার্টেড, উইল বি এবল টু মুভ, বাট নট লং steps. Very small suppling gate. That's why gate is called suppling. Suppling মানে তাস খেলার সময় দেখেছো তো, সাপল করা হয়, এই যে সাপল তাস খেলার সময় ওই রকম ছোট ছোট গেট, স্মল সাপলিং গেট। রিজিডিটি, মাস্ট ফেসিস, lead pipe and cogwheel, echinacea, simultaneous, এই যে অটোমেটিজম, ফেল, এই যে দেখো অটোমেটিক অ্যাকশন, এই যে অটোমেটিজম, হ্যাঁ, অটোমেটিক অ্যাকশন উইল বি গন, সাইমালটেনিয়াস মুভমেন্ট নট পসিবল, হয় এরকম বসে থাকবে, ফেসিয়াল এক্সপ্রেশন সুইঙ্গিং অ্যাবসেন্ট, অটোমেটিজম, short quick steps, rigidity, cogwheel, lead pipe, trimmer, long loop and short loop, this Parkinsonism এটাও আছে, এই যে এমপিটিপি, drugs, L-dopa, surgical intervention, another one is offset OCD, অবসেসিভ কম্পালসিভ ডিসঅর্ডার, এটা একটা আছে, হ্যাঁ, ওই ওয়াশিং হ্যান্ডস এগেন এন্ড এগেন ইন ইয়েস, বিকজ সাইকোসিস, ফিয়ার সাইকোসিস, যে আমার তাহলে বোধহয় মানে এ হয়ে যাবে, কি রোগ ধরে যাবে, সো ওটা একটা ম্যানিয়া, দিস ইজ টাইপ অফ ম্যানিয়া, সাইকোলজিক্যাল মেন্টাল, হয় বিকজ কডেট নিউক্লিয়াস ইজ ইনভলভ, কডেট দ্যাট গিভস দ্য, হ্যাঁ, কডেট হচ্ছে কি কগনিটিভ পার্ট, কগনিটিভ